Hello students, today I will discuss about the addition of time. Here see that 2 hours 50 minutes plus 3 hours 35 minutes. So at first I write here hours minutes. Here 2 hours 50 minutes, then 3 hours 35 minutes. At first we have to add these numbers as usual. So 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 5 8, here 3 plus 2 5. So here we get 5 hours 85 minutes. But this number 85 is greater than 60. As we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so we have to carry away some minutes to the place of hour. So we have to divide 85 by 60. Now we have to divide this number by 60. So 60 ones are 60. Here we get the remainder as 25. So 25 minutes 1 hour. Clear? So we have to carry away 1 hour to the place of hours. So here we get the answer as 5 plus 1 hours 25 minutes. So 6 hours 25 minutes is the answer. Now I will discuss about the second problem. Here hours, minutes, seconds. 2 hours 30 minutes 20 seconds. 3 hours 30 minutes 50 seconds. So at first we have to add these numbers as usual. 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 5 7, 0 plus 0 0, 3 plus 3 6, 2 plus 3 5. So we get 5 hours 60 minutes 70 seconds. Here also 70 is greater than 60. As we know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we have to divide 70 by 60. Now we have to divide 70 by 60. 60 ones are 60. We get the remainder as 10. So 10 seconds 1 minute. So here 5 hours 60 plus 1 minutes, as we have to carry away 1 minute to the place of minutes, and here 10 seconds. So we get 5 hours 61 minutes 10 seconds. Now here 61 is greater than 60. Also we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So here we also divide 61 by 60. So 60 ones are 60, remainder 1. Here 1 minute, 1 hour. So the answer is 5 plus 1 hours, 1 minute and 10 seconds. The answer is 6 hours, 1 minute, 10 seconds. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.